Hello, good morning. Today's date is 30th July 2021 and my name is Nilesh Hemant Shinde and I am going to describe today's video topic. Today's video topic is hash map and tree map. We know that while we are using the array, the size of the array is fixed at when it created. After after we create an array and while the runtime, it cannot be increases its size. So this is a major drawback of the array. So here is the collection framework is uh, used to overcome this situation of the array. So there are the two methods or the two ways. This is also known as the hash map and the tree map. So this is nothing but this is a uh, these are the nothing but two classes of the Java, which is a classes of the Java framework, and which is used when we are don't know what is the exactly size of the our array. So it is usually acts like a bucket hash. When the bucket is going to full, then the new node is created, and the same structure is in this tree map and hash map. So now we discuss one example of this. When we are in filling the form, then there is a uh, one uh, one one parameter is there, that is the uh, enter your country name. Then if when we write our country name, for example India, then the there is a entry code name of the mobile number is already given in that in that column. For example, if we write India, then the 9 plus 91 is already given automatically. So this can be achieved by using the tree map or the hash map. Now we discuss this the one by one. What is the tree map and what is the hash map? The first one is a tree map. The tree map is we can use the tree map for the storing our value in. It is just like a tree. If we store our first value, there is a any value any if there is a no value is present in tree, then we can uh, we can save our value in that position. And if uh, we have to already any value in this tree, then we can store our value at a if the our value is greater than the stored value, then we can save our value in the right side of the given value. And if our value is minimum than the saved value, then we can save it at the left side. And this process will be continued after while saving the any value. The tree map extends abstract map key k and v, that is the key and value. We can store one key and what is value assigned to that key which we are saving in that tree map. And it implements a serializable and the clonable interface. So the tree map is an example of the sorted map. For example, if we have to put a number of values in the tree map, then the output will be in sorted list, because the tree map is in the sorted the order of the keys in the in a uh, in a tree map. It is a sorted list. So we can save a number of values at a number of values and keys at a in the tree map in sorted values, but we cannot save our if we write one key which is India, and after we that write uh, one key which is for China, then we cannot write a double value, or we only save our unique values. So we can save only unique values in the tree list. And we already discussed that the in tree map the all values are in the sorted way, but uh, the this sorting is happens uh, by using the keys. It is a key. It depend on the keys. It is not depend on the values. The there is a The tree map has cannot have any null value of key, but it have a number of or multiple values of the value which can be null. That means the tree map does not support null value in that, and but it supports different or multiple values, null values in that. As per the name, the value in tree map is stored in a tree structure. Now we discuss what is the hash map. The hash map is nothing but it is the combination of the array and the linked list. The hash map is extends a map key and values. That means we can store in that the value of keys and the uh, the value which is assigned to that key. Now, mm, and it implements a clonable and serializable interface. The hash map is a it is in a the hash map does not maintain any sorted value or the any sorted iteration, sorted order while the iterating. It it has uh, it has a no, it can be contain a single null value, or it can also be contain a single null value, single null key, and it also be contain the number of or the multiple key values. So, so the hash map is based on the keys, and it is contains a it is also contains a unique value like a tree map. Now we discuss what is the similarities between the tree map and the hash map. The tree map and the hash map both are the used used for the implementation, that is the clonable and the serializable interface, and both are the stores only unique keys value. That means the values can be different, but keys are the unique. That means the value the key is a unique, and the value assigned to that key may be different, and both are the non-synchronized, and both are the stores of value key and the value pairs. Now we discuss what is the difference between the tree map and the hash map. In hash map, it is a structure is a it is the implementation of map interface, and the tree map is just implementation is tree structured tree structure based implementation. And in hash map they extend or they use to implement map serializable and clonable interface. but in tree map they use a navigatable map and serializable and clonable interface. The the order of the our output is in hash map is a non it is not a sequential order, or the it is a not a it does not maintain any order while the iterating, but in tree map they maintain a order which is the ascending order while the iterating. The hash map is faster than the tree map. So the hash map can be contains a single null value, and it can be contain multiple null values. So, but in tree map they cannot contain a null key, and but it contains a number of or the multiple null values. So, so the hash map is used when we don't require to pairs of, value of the pairs are in ascending orders. Then we can use the hash map. But when we require to our values and the keys are in ascending order, then we can use the tree map. So that is all about the hash map and the tree map. Thank you.